Well, hello everybody. You know that we do these unboxing videos when something cool and groovy comes into the shop, which is just about all the time. And we've been eagerly awaiting the arrival of Tula Pink's new line called Linework. So we sent out an email blast yesterday morning saying that it had just arrived and we were going to do an unboxing video. So one of our regular customers who's been very patient and waiting for this to come in saw the FedEx truck go by her house. She jumped in the car, she came over, and she wasn't going to wait. So we happily unboxed this stuff ahead of time because she needed to have her first dibbies on this beautiful line. So let me go through it. It's only 13 SKUs. SKU means bolt, and let's see what it looks like. So that's why the cellophane is off of them, and some people are getting their cuts already. So I have a laundry list of people who are getting their cuts of the entire collection. And if that's what you want to do, please hop on the internet and go to our website, ladyfingerssewing.com, and order it, or give us a call. And we'll get this off to you as soon as we can. So this one is called Fairy Flakes. So it's a large print, and one of the advantages of unboxing is you can actually see the scale of these fabrics. So it's quite large, and that might not look that way when you just look at a swatch on your websites, or on a website. So there's that one. We also have it in white, so it's a white on white print. And of course, you know, the quality of these Free Spirit fabrics is really great. So this one you may already know from Tula Pink's True Colors. This is mineral, and the color is called paper. Okay, and then we have the pom-poms, or the big dots. You're familiar with these, and this one is also the colorway is paper. Then we also have the reverse, which is a black ground with a white dot, and this one, the color is called ink. So you'll see that designation throughout this collection. And of course, the good old tent stripe done in a black and white. These are quite fun, and you can see they're not small scale. So let's go on to the next box. And here comes the very interesting and fun part of this collection. So here's the new Hexy Rainbow, and this one is the ink colorway. So really, really fun and pretty with all the different colors along with the black and white. Next, we have the zebras, and notice the little hints of color on one of the stripes of each of the zebras. And this one is called Read Between the Lines, and the colorway is paper. We also have this adorable graphic panda. You can think of a million things to do with this guy. This one is called Pandemonium, of course, and the colorway is ink. And this is another gorgeous design. I think we featured this one on the website in a big way. This one is called Tall Tales, also in ink. So notice it's not just black and white. There's hints of color here and there in some of these designs. This is a wonderful, wonderful large-scale print. And this one is called Lemur, Me Alone. And you can see the lemurs in here with fun rainbow dots throughout. Next, we have the Skunks. This one's called Little Stinker. And you can see, again, the black and white skunks. They're made of flowers, so they're like Pepe Le Pew, and the little leaves done in rainbow colors as well. And finally, we have the little Renegade. So this is kind of a greeny, aqua-y lines on a white ground. And this one is called Sketchy. And know that coming soon will be a wide back for your quilts with this design on it. So that's it from Ladyfingers for today. Do know that please follow us on Facebook and on Twitter, and especially on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to that because we have a lot of videos coming up that'll be posted very soon. So thanks for watching.